Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very simple and beautiful pattern for you. You can use this pattern in ladies cardigans, gents sweaters, children's sweaters, jackets, shawls, caps and also in blankets. From front side this pattern looks like this. And from back side our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 2 stitches and plus 2 stitches for border, and this is only 4 rows repeat pattern. So let us start. For demonstration I have taken 12 stitches. First we will knit base row. Here I am knitting one row of knit stitches. You can make any kind of border as per your requirement. I have ended my base row with purl stitch. Let us start our first row now. Slip first stitch. Our pattern starts from right side. Slip one stitch and then purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now pass 2 knitted stitches on left needle and pass yarn to the back side, and then again slip knitted stitches on right needle, yarn in front and purl 2 stitches, then slip knitted stitches on left needle, yarn in back, again slip knitted stitches on right needle and yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, slip knitted stitches on left needle, yarn in back, again slip stitches on right needle, yarn in front and purl 2 stitches. Now again pass knitted 2 stitches on left needle, yarn in back and slip same stitches on right needle, yarn in front and then purl 2 stitches, slip 2 stitches on left needle, yarn in back, again slip knitted stitches on right needle, yarn in front and last purl edge stitch. Here our first row is over now. Let us start our second row. Our second row will be from back side. For that slip one stitch and then purl all stitches. Here we have completed our second row. Now let us start our third row. Third row is from front side. Slip one stitch and then knit one stitch, and after that start repeat pattern, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now pass these 2 stitches on left needle, yarn in back, again slip 2 stitches on right needle, yarn in front, and then purl 2 stitches. Pass 2 knitted stitches on left needle, yarn in back, again knitted stitches on right needle, yarn in front, and then purl 2 stitches. Repeat these 2 stitches until we reach last 2 stitches. Pass knitted stitches on left needle, yarn in back, same knitted stitches on right needle. In the beginning we have knitted first stitch as a knit stitch, so in the last we will knit 1 stitch for the similarity and purl edge stitch. As usual we knit. Here we have completed our third row. Now we will knit last row. For last row slip 1 stitch and then purl all stitches. Purl edge stitch. Here our fourth row is over now and we have completed our pattern. Repeat these 4 rows over and over until you reach your desired length. After a few repeats our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it. If you are visiting to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So bye friends.